What is up, Pyros? Today we're going to take a look at a big 500 gram fountain. This one's called Tailgate Party by Shogun.This. Definitely do like the packaging on it. It's got a lot of football related tailgating themed pictures. We got the Chiefs, Kansas City Chiefs. Can't wait for Patrick Mahomes to do some work this year. We got the Chiefs cake, which I thought was pretty cool. Looks like carrots on the edges, and we got a potato in the middle. It's a pretty cool design. But yeah, Tailgate Parties is a massive 500 gram fountain. If you guys have not seen this in person, it is definitely one of my favorite 500 gram fountains. I've only seen this once in person, and it was some years back, so I'm really excited to see what it looks like nowadays. So we have yellow, blue, green, red, orange, and lemon effects with a spring, flower, chrysanthemum sparks. So it's a hissing, sizzling, noisy crackle. Almost 2 minutes long. It's definitely a dense packaging. I would tear it open to kind of show you all the actual tubes, but I think what I'll do is after I shoot it, make sure to show you what it looks like on the inside. I don't want to have any of it to go prematurely, since I'm not doing it at the opening of the show that I plan on doing tonight down here where I live. But I'm really excited to definitely take a look at it. So let's go ahead and see what it does. Pyros, we have Tailgate Party 500 gram fountain by Shogun Fireworks. I hope you Pyros enjoy. For now, I'll see all you Pyros next week with another demo video. The neighbors competing. Nice golden orange effects there. The neighbors competing. Nice golden orange effects there. Wow. Simply amazed. Yeah, if you're at a tailgate party and you light one of those, people are gonna come watching. All right. Now that are done, we can definitely take a look at it. So you have these 4 or 5 little ones here in the middle. You can see those. You can still see them obviously scorching hot right now. And then that crackling finale at the end, you can see all those around the edge. Pretty intense. I will definitely be getting this tailgate party in the future. But Pyros, definitely pick this one up if you see it in the fireworks store. Hope you Pyros enjoy. I'm gonna get out of here and put that flame out. Have a good one, Pyros. See you next week.